how to log out Valorant. So if you want to log out Valorant, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Valorant. And after searching here, you can simply go for this search which says playvalorant.com, and now make sure to log into your account. Now what you can do is here you will have my account on the upper right. You can go for settings, click on that, and here if you have already entered your password, then it will automatically log you in. But if you have not entered it, then you need to enter the password first, and then it will take you to this page. So now you can go for login management, which is here on the left side. And under login management, you will have logout everywhere option. Simply click on that logout, and this will log you out everywhere that you are signed in. So if you want to log out from your Valorant, then simply click on confirm and you will be logged out. So that's it. That's how you log out. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.